In 1969, a pivotal moment in history took place. Verbatim was born. In the decades since, technology has advanced at an extraordinary pace. What once took 25 years to achieve, today takes only 5. And tomorrow? For over 50 years, our mission has been to develop trusted technology solutions to enrich the daily lives of our customers. Our latest generation of optical media products store more data than ever before, with lower energy consumption and running costs compared to conventional technology. With Verbatim's 3D printing materials, ideas are realized that not only increase productivity, but change lives. Innovative Verbatim LED lamps and fixtures let us efficiently and elegantly illuminate any space. Also, Verbatim secure data storage devices give us the freedom to travel the world, safely accessing data on demand. We look forward to providing technology you can trust for the next 50 years and beyond.